In the year 1054 AD, a chasm of belief tore the Christian Church asunder, shattering the unity that had bound Eastern and Western branches for centuries. This epochal event, known as the Great Schism, was the culmination of a myriad of theological and political disputes, setting the stage for an enduring rift between the Eastern Orthodox Church and the Roman Catholic Church. The roots of this schism were deeply entwined in the Byzantine Empire's growing disillusionment with the increasingly powerful papacy in Rome. For the Eastern Orthodox Church, the Pope's authority over secular matters and the papal legates' encroachment upon their territories were unacceptable violations of their autonomy. The final straw came when Pope Leo IX, in the year 1054, dispatched his emissary, Cardinal Humbert, to Constantinople to discuss the papal demand for conformity. In a heated exchange at the Hagia Sophia, Humbert excommunicated the Eastern Patriarch, Michael Cerularius, and his followers, declaring the Orthodox Church to be heretical. With the excommunication, the two churches parted ways, each claiming to be the true successor to the original church established by the apostles. The Great Schism not only split Christianity but also had profound consequences for the political, cultural, and social fabric of both the Eastern and Western worlds. For the Eastern Orthodox Church, the schism marked a renewed emphasis on the role of the Byzantine emperor as the defender of orthodoxy. In the West, the schism contributed to the rise of the papacy's power and authority, setting the stage for the investiture controversy and the eventual emergence of the Roman Catholic Church as a preeminent force in European politics. The Great Schism also had far-reaching effects on the cultural and social spheres, as the Eastern and Western churches developed distinct identities. The Eastern Orthodox Church's emphasis on iconography, liturgy, and monasticism helped to shape a unique Byzantine culture, while the Western churches' focus on the papacy and the development of scholastic theology contributed to the emergence of the Middle Ages in Western Europe. In the end, the Great Schism proved to be an unhealable wound in the fabric of Christianity. Despite numerous attempts at reconciliation over the centuries, the Eastern Orthodox Church and the Roman Catholic Church remain separate entities to this day. The schism serves as a stark reminder of the complex interplay between theology, politics, and culture in shaping the course of history.